The CFO Program Kit is an in-depth, comprehensive course designed for individuals aspiring to understand and emulate the key roles and responsibilities of a Chief Financial Officer, CFO. This program addresses a multitude of topics that span across all the pivotal domains a CFO typically oversees, from strategic financial management and risk assessment to leadership development and corporate governance. The course explores contemporary topics such as digital transformation, data analysis, and sustainability, reflecting the evolving role of CFOs in today's fast-paced business environment. It doesn't stop at just building financial acumen but also emphasizes leadership skills, providing participants the chance to hone their abilities in communication, negotiation, and conflict resolution through simulations and real-world case studies. Furthermore, the program recognizes the diverse range of specializations within the CFO's ambit and provides knowledge on tax planning, treasury management, project management, audit, and legal considerations. With a focus on emerging trends like fintech, big data, AI, and impact investing, the course ensures you stay at the forefront of financial innovation. The CFO Program Kit isn't just a course. It's a transformative learning journey that equips you with the tools, knowledge, and confidence to navigate the complexities of the CFO role and guide your organization towards financial success.